In this video, let's take a look at the way that you fix the Gmail storage full problem. So if you're having this issue within your Gmail, the way that you can fix this issue is by simply deleting those files or those folders that you no longer need. So starting off with your Gmail, if you have received a lot of emails that have a large file attachments, in this situation you can simply head over to the search bar on the top and you'll be able to select some filters on the top. So for example, you'll be able to select the has filters option and you'll be able to find all of the emails that actually have attachments added in. So in this situation you can go ahead and delete all of them all at once, or you can also select the date if you want. So this is the first step that you need to follow. Secondly, what you can do is head over to Google Drive, because if you have a lot of files stored within Google Drive as well, this is also causing the full storage problem. Apart from this, you can also head over to Google Photos and try deleting or moving your files or photos from Google Photos as well. So by following this exact process, you'd be able to fix the Gmail storage full problem. I do hope this video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.